Hello there. Today, we're going to talk about the gerund. A gerund is a verb ending in ing that we use as a noun. For example, swimming is good exercise. Here, swimming is the subject of the sentence. We also use gerunds after certain verbs, such as enjoy, like, love, hate, avoid, and finish. For example, I enjoy reading books. She avoids eating too much sugar. They finished watching the film. We also use a gerund after a preposition. For example, I'm interested in learning English. She's good at cooking. Thank you for helping me. To sum up and for you to remember, gerund equals verb plus ing can also be used as a noun or object. For example, I love swimming. She enjoys dancing. He's interested in learning English. That's all about the gerund. Easy, isn't it? By the way, I hope you were able to guess where I was yesterday. If not, just carry on to the next image to find out. Also, if you like this video, click on the like button, then subscribe plus click the notification bell, plus choose all notifications. Thank you for watching and for supporting my channel. See you next time. Bye!